Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Automation Digest. From today, we will be talking about Playwright. So before we start with Playwright architecture and other design stuffs, let's first understand what Playwright is and why are we talking about Playwright. So Playwright was developed by Microsoft and released on Jan 31st, 2020. It is relatively new in the market compared to other traditional automation tools, but Playwright has been gaining the market. One of the major reasons for that is Playwright is simplifying the experience of web automation, enhancing the automation capabilities on the process. Also, it has additional benefits. Apart from just supporting web automation, it also supports API automation. It supports emulation, which is testing in real devices like mobile phones or tablets. Playwright helps in mocking APIs and very easily helps to generate the test. Some of the other pros of Playwright are it supports cross-browser testing, which includes Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit. It provides unified API, which can be used for automating web, mobile, and desktop applications. So it becomes a versatile choice. We would be able to automate complex scenarios like shadow DOMs, iframes, and difficult to identify elements. Parallel test execution is natively supported in Playwright. For now, the language support of Playwright is Node.js, Java, Python, and .NET. As every coin has two sides, Playwright has its cons as well. Because it is very new to the market, we require to learn a bit about the application. The community support is smaller. The tool is new, so many organizations may be hesitant to adapt to Playwright for a mission critical project. Playwright is developing rapidly. For now, there are few compatibility issues. And of course, because it is new, and very limited people are aware of it, the transition period would be more than the other traditional tools. But then, if we have few cons, why are we going for Playwright? If you see the market presence of Playwright, it's increasing day by day. The download in past 1 year of Playwright has surpassed Selenium WebDriver. This is the status from NPM train. It definitely doesn't mean that Playwright is being used more than Selenium, but it can happen in the near future. So let's put down some comparison between Playwright and Selenium. When it comes to browser support, Playwright supports Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit, whereas Selenium supports Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and Internet Explorer. The language that Playwright supports is limited to Node.js, Java, Python, and .NET. Selenium supports Java, Python, Ruby, C#, JavaScript, and so on, almost every known language. The documentation in Playwright is comprehensive and the community is growing. In Selenium, the documentation is extensive and the community is already mature. When it comes to headless mode, Playwright supports headless mode for all the supported browsers. Whereas for Selenium, headless mode is supported for Chrome and Firefox. The operating system that Playwright supports is Windows, macOS, and Linux. Selenium also supports Windows, macOS, Linux, and Solaris. Performance of Playwright is the major point why people are now preferring Playwright. It's much faster than Selenium. When we learn about architecture, we'll talk more about this. Browser drivers. Playwright provides built-in drivers. Selenium requires separate web drivers for each browser. Now the choice is yours. You want to go with which tool? For us, we will be talking about Playwright from the next session. Stay tuned. Thank you.